I'm reviewing my stay here at the Hotel Republic in downtown San Diego, and it is located in the Columbia District. The hotel is located in a really quiet corner, but there is, plenty of places to go within walking distance. So today I am going to give you a review of the room. I stayed here for 2 nights and 3 days. I checked in on Friday and I'm leaving today on Sunday. I did book this hotel with my Marriott Bonvoy points, so the only thing I had to pay was a $50 fee, which is something I have not come across yet with hotels. So they call it, I'm just looking at the sheet that they gave us when we checked in, they call it a destination fee. The way they explain it is, as part of your experience, the nightly $25 plus tax includes the following valuable benefits: $25 daily food and beverage credit, daily morning yoga, daily enhanced high-speed internet access, bike rental for 2, and if you're a Bonvoy member, gold member, which we are, you can enjoy a glass of wine at the topside terrace between 4 and 5 p.m. And we did take advantage of this one night. It's only like 1 hour, but whatever wine and beer that they have on the menu, you can have whatever you want. So I thought that was pretty cool. You have to use it per day, like the credits don't roll over. I did use it. We did have dinner one night on the first night we were here, and on the second night, we wanted to go eat somewhere else. So basically we used the $25 credit for a drink, which only paid for 1 drink. And it's also very dog friendly. So that's another thing, is that we decided to stay here because it's super dog friendly, and the restaurants, the bars, like everything is dog friendly. Also, parking here, there is no self-parking. It is only valet parking, which we are in downtown San Diego, so it's a little bit expensive. It's $60 per day. I did read some reviews online that some people have found garage parking a couple blocks down or around the corner that was far less. It's kind of a hassle for us with the dogs to carry our luggage and also walk the dogs. So we just decided to go ahead and valet the car here. All right, so let me go ahead and give you a tour of the room. I want to start off first with the window and our view. We have a pretty, nice view of downtown San Diego here in the Columbia District. But I really liked about this room is the way they made this entire wall where the window is like this nice daybed area, almost like it's like a nice sofa. But the dogs really enjoyed it. We actually enjoyed it too. We sat there a lot while we're on our laptops and doing, checking up on emails and stuff like that. So that's a really nice corner. I like how they did that. So our room, we booked a 2 double bed instead of a king bed, just because when we have the dogs, they like to sleep with us, and it's just more comfortable if we have our own separate beds when they sleep with us. We just sleep more comfortably. That's Zoe right there. The beds were okay. I don't think they were really all that comfortable. Also, the pillows, they were not great. They were either flat or too fluffy. Like my side, I slept over there, the pillows were super flat. And then on this side, my husband did have some fluffy pillows, but they weren't that great. And in between the beds, there was a side table. There were outlets on both sides, but the only thing is that there is an outlet here, and they have 2 USB ports. We didn't use the USB ports because it looks like they somehow did something to it so you can't use it. We also got, I just realized right now there's USB ports up here, more plugs up here. I've just been using the one next to the bed, but yeah, there's actually, you can do that there. And then down here, there's 2 glasses and then a ice bucket. So there's like a really large mirror right here on this wall, which I thought was interesting. I don't think I've ever seen a room where they put a really large mirror on the side of the wall. And on this side, there is a little workstation. The chair is okay. It's not a very comfortable working chair. I think that's why we always all preferred to sit up there. But I did use this space to put my suitcase and the dog stuff. There are a couple of trash cans down there. I first thought these were postcards, but I think it's just pictures. Oh no, they are postcards. And over here, the console table had TV with plenty of channels, and didn't use any of the drawers. There is a refrigerator, a mini refrigerator, and we did store some food in here. We actually went to the farmer's market on Saturday, which is a fantastic farmer's market in Little Italy, and we bought some dip and some yogurt to take home with us. There's a Keurig machine, which we didn't use because we got coffee around town.
Large closet here at the entrance
with an iron board and an iron. It's a digital safe, and there's 2 drawers down here. I never even opened them, but they're empty. There's nothing in these drawers. And then for the free yoga in the mornings, they provide a yoga mat for you. So that's what you take up with you if you want to enjoy the yoga. And then I do really like these 3 hooks they have here. They come in handy, especially for hanging up the dog leashes. Here is the bathroom. It's pretty small, but there's plenty of space for the both of us to put our stuff down. I pretty much use that side. And then I was able to hang some of my stuff up here. There is a nice mirror here, magnifying mirror, and also you can turn it on. So that's nice. And then these are all my toiletries that I brought. So what they provided was body lotion, Q-tips, cotton balls, and I didn't even realize I have this cleansing towel. So maybe that's for your face. And then there was a bar of soap. And then down here we had the blow dryer and extra toilet paper. I did really appreciate that they had 3 hooks up here, so that really helps out to put up our towels and dry them. The shower is, pretty average size shower. I like that there's like a little nook here to put, so I put my face wash there. I used the shampoo and conditioner. It was really lovely. The scent wasn't too strong. It was a nice natural scent. The water pressure sucked. I did not like the water pressure here. That is the bathroom. Okay, so that was the room tour. I hope this video helped you out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.